Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. But if you're new here, hi, my name is Chinny and it's so nice to have you here. I always say to stay and to subscribe because you'd really love me here. And if it's not your first time here, hi my loves, what's up and welcome back. Welcome to another episode of Chinny's style album or my style album. I told you guys that my next styling video was going to be one in collaboration with a certain brand. And guys, I'm so excited to announce to you that this here is that video. So let me just start by saying that I also mentioned in that video that this brand is actually a growing brand. They literally just started some months back. Yeah, they just started some months back. They're still growing and I love what they sell. I love the pieces they sell. They're so beautiful. They make really elegant pieces, and if you know me, you know I'm all about elegance and class, you know, sophistication, and that is exactly what this brand brings to the table. So I'm just really excited to be working with them. And guys, I have news. I have a surprise for you guys at the end of the video. You guys will really love it if you really want to shop from this particular brand and if you love the outfits after this video. Okay, so basically the name of this brand is Girma. Girma is the name of the brand. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. You guys would see it. I will put it up on the screen somewhere, you know, or put their Instagram handle so you guys can follow them. But yeah, that is how I pronounce it, Girma. I really hope I'm right. So basically, I was sent an outfit from Girma some days ago. Everything was just so beautiful. I'm going to show you guys how it came, you know, the package, you know, and everything inside it. I'm going to take you guys along the unboxing process as well. Okay, but I'm not gonna lie. I've actually unboxed this before off camera, of course. Like, I just received it, I had to unbox it, you know, so I unboxed it. I even tried it on off camera and it was so beautiful. It fit perfectly and nicely on my body. Okay guys, so that is what the packaging looked like. That is how it was presented to me, and I must say I fell in love. It was like love at first sight, to be honest. Okay, when I took out the dress, I was like, whoa. Like, first of all, the box was so heavy and I was like, I thought it was just one dress, you know. I was like, it's supposed to be just one dress, and then I opened it up and it was actually just one dress, but it was so heavy. That's to tell you how good the material is. That's to tell you the quality of the material, basically. It's the quality for me. Now, actually, it's everything for me, but you know, like, the first thing that came to my mind was, whoa, like, quality, hey. Anyway, in case you are wondering if this is the outfit, yes, it is. This is actually the outfit I have on right here. If you are curious to see what the full outfit looks like, then just keep on watching it, because in this video I'm going to be talking about every single thing that attracts me to this particular outfit right here. Every single thing that says yes for me to this outfit, you know, the details on the outfit, what I styled it with from head to toe, literally. You all are going to see everything in this video, so stay tuned. Okay, so for my hair, I have on these very simple cornrows, nothing too serious, just very simple cornrows, as you can see right here. one of my favorite hairstyles to do, guys. Anyway, so this is what I use to style this outfit. You can use any other hairstyle you want, but this is what I felt like using to style this outfit. Reasons being, the outfit is very simple. Like I said previously, it's a simple outfit, but there's a lot of detail on the outfit, so I didn't want to deviate their attention from the outfit to anything else on my body, so I had to keep it as simple as possible, just so that the details on this very simple outfit could be very, very visible. Okay, but I'm styling it for you all, so it's your choice what you want to do. If you want to wear a wig, if you want to wear braids, if you want to have your hair short, if you want to have your cornrows on as well, it's fine, just do you. But then for the sake of the styling of this video, I decided to style it with these very simple cornrows I have here. And I have my makeup done already, very simple, light makeup, nothing too serious. I use this very eye-catchy gold earring on my ears, just so that it could bring out my face the more, because my hair is already very simple and flat, so I had to bring out my face a bit. So I use this very bold golden earrings. That's what I had on to style this outfit. For my neck, I had nothing. It's a bare neck, because you guys can see already what the neck of this outfit looks like from here. And then I just had on my wristwatch and my bracelets on the other hand. Now for my shoes, I styled this outfit with a pair of black sandal heels, and then I used a black clutch to style it as well. Alright, now to the things I love about this outfit. I love the color of this outfit. It's like dark brown or like deep brown. I love neutral colors. I love neutral tones, white, brown, beige, ash, colors like that. And when I saw that this was brown, I was like, okay, I really love the color of this outfit. Another thing I love about this outfit is the material. The material of this outfit is of very, very, very good quality. I love how heavy it feels. It feels there is weight when you carry the dress on its own. There is weight, and you feel the quality of the material from just holding it. When you just lift it up, it's like, oh, okay. And then when it's on the body, the way it shines, it's just beautiful. It has a glossy look to it if you look closely. Okay, if you can't see it properly from the camera, I'm so sorry, but that is exactly what the material is like. Another thing I love about this material is the length. Oh my word. When I saw the length of this material, I was like, nah, like, okay, these ones have me. I love the length of the material. I love midi, midi outfits, midi skirts, midi dresses. I love them so much. And this dress is a midi. As you can see, it's just so beautiful. It's so beautiful. I love the length of the outfit as well. It kind of depicts class and elegance. You guys know. You guys know I have to mention class and elegance, because this outfit actually does depict a lot of class and elegance. Another thing about this outfit is, if you look closely, you'd see that there are some darts on the outfit, and let me tell you what the darts do is they basically snatch your waist. Okay, the darts on the outfit just gives it some kind of fitting on the body. There are darts in front and at the back as well. Now, another thing about this outfit that I love is it's just beautiful that you could wear this in two different ways. The first style is just to take the rope and just tie it up to the back, just like a normal open back or show back outfit. But then the second style is crossing the ropes in front and taking the crossed rope to the back and then tying it there. This outfit is just beautiful. I love every single thing about it. This outfit could take you out to friends, you know, brunch with friends. It could take you on a dinner date. It could take you on a date. It could take you to a picnic. It could take you to a birthday party. It could take you to a birthday dinner. It could take you to so many places, and that is just beautiful about this outfit. It's very versatile, and I just really love this outfit. Now to the surprise I had for you. I'm sure after seeing all of these things, you know, the details and everything I showed you guys in this video about this particular outfit here, I know you're tempted to buy. I know you'll be tempted to purchase it, okay? Now here is the surprise I had for you all. So if you want to shop this outfit, you could use my code Chinny07 to shop this outfit and get a 10% discount. So y'all, please shop this outfit using my code Chinny07. It's going to be on the screen here for you guys, so cop this outfit and thank me later. All right, so thank you so much y'all for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you loved it as well. If you did, please like by giving me a thumbs up and leave a comment down in the comment section so I'll know what you think. Also share this video to friends, family. Thank you so much y'all for watching. I love you all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.